In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize contacts with properties in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're in, head to the main navigation menu, click on CRM, and then select Contacts. This will take you to the area where all of your contact records are stored and managed. Next, open the Contacts table view. This is the main workspace where you can see your contacts in a spreadsheet-style layout. Organizing this view is helpful because it allows you to surface the most relevant contact information at a glance, making your day-to-day work faster and more efficient. From here, click Edit Columns. This is where you customize which contact properties appear in the table. If you're working with a lot of available properties, use the Search Columns field to quickly find the ones you need. This saves time and makes it easier to locate specific fields, especially if your CRM has been customized with many properties. As you find the contact properties you want, select the ones you'd like to display in the contacts table. These might include things like life cycle stage, lead status, company name, or other key data points your team relies on. After selecting them, take a moment to review the Selected Columns panel. This section shows everything that will appear in your table once the changes are applied. Now, drag and drop the properties to arrange them in your preferred order. This is useful because the order of columns can affect how quickly you can scan contact records and prioritize information. Place the most important properties near the beginning so they're easier to access during daily use. If there are any properties you don't need, remove them to keep the view clean and focused. A less cluttered table is often easier to read and helps reduce distractions. If needed, set frozen columns as well. Frozen columns stay visible while you scroll horizontally, which can be especially helpful for keeping core identifiers, like a contact name, in view while reviewing additional data. Once everything looks right, click Apply. HubSpot will update the contacts table with your selected layout. Review the updated table carefully to make sure the right properties are visible and arranged in a way that supports your workflow. From there, you can start using the displayed properties to organize and manage your contacts more effectively. A well-structured table view makes it easier to sort information, spot important details, and stay consistent when working across your contact database. Thanks for watching.